Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Tata key fob. You're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver. This is the number 1. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver. And basically the thinner this is, the better. And you also need 2 of the 2016 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So what you want to do is on the back portion here, this right here is a very easy to strip tiny Phillips head screw. And the number 1 screwdriver does take it out, but generally these threads can be stripped very easily, so make sure you're careful with that. Next, you want to take your thin Phillips head and just put it right here and pry that cover up. It will be on there pretty firmly. Okay, battery is underneath this, and essentially there is a little plastic sleeve right here, and you just want to put your screwdriver right here and push out each of the batteries. So push those out. Then your new batteries go in. Both of them will need to be positive side facing upward. Just like that. Clip this back in, and then you can test it. Go ahead and give that a squeeze back together. Test right here, make sure you got your red light. And put your screw back in. That's all you need to do. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.